Hello everyone, welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews, and boy do I have a review for you today. So, how many of you are tired of plastic straws? Did you know if you buy a water bottle with a plastic straw that a plastic straw can be contaminated much quicker than the actual bottle itself? Bacteria can grow in your straw, so when you drink it, you're essentially drinking bacteria and can cause you to get sick or worse. Plastic straws are just overall not that good. So no matter what straw it is, you should always make sure you wash your straws out and have a straw brush which is able to help you scrub inside where you normally wouldn't. But also plastic straws, the water can actually change flavor because of plastic straws. Even if it says it's free of this and free of that, honestly, do you really believe that? So, what is the alternative? Well, metal straws are pretty good, but over time metal straws, can get a funny metal taste to them. So the best thing to do, and I'm about to show you guys, I'm excited, I hope you will be too, and that is using a glass straw. A glass straw helps protect you from a lot of different things. So today we are going to show you a bunch of glass straws. If you're interested and you want a glass straw, please check out the video description where you guys can get one. So here's a straw scrubbing brush. These are a must for any straw. So let's go ahead and show you guys a glass straw. So this is made of solid glass. These are all different ones. I think those might be the same size and thickness. I forget how many are the same size and thickness. It might be 4 are the same size. I think these 4 are all the same size and thickness. And then these straws are angled. Now I highly recommend getting just the clear glass straws. They do make colored ones and stuff, but I would not recommend using them. It's just my personal opinion. So I think those two are different. I think these are different. They might be the same. Let's see here. Alright, so these have a little bit more of an angle. They might not be as thick as well. So if we line them up, we'll be able to tell better. So they're about the same. So okay, must be 4 straight ones, and then you got 4 curved ones. Now, this also goes with plastic bottles. I highly recommend using glass water bottles as well. I don't think you guys want to use plastic water bottles, and that's because over time you let water set even in a day in a plastic bottle, you can tell it doesn't taste fresh. It just doesn't taste that good. But if you leave water set in a glass bottle with a glass straw and you go to drink it, obviously if you drink it cold or warmer, it'll have a different effect. But if you go to drink it, it's going to taste almost just as fresh as when you first filled your glass up. So these are glass straws. These are cleaning straws. You just simply slide these through, and that's how you're able to clean inside your straws. Now always make sure you wash out your straws even after you clean them out, just in case any plastic comes off of the little brushes here. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Highly recommend. Go glass. Once you go glass, you never go back.